Welcome to the ultimate family guide to Lisbon, Portugal. Whether you're planning your first visit or returning for more, this guide is packed with everything you need, from where to stay and what to do, to the best places to eat and practical tips for families. Lisbon is a vibrant, welcoming city with iconic yellow trams, breathtaking viewpoints, rich history, and mouth-watering food. With a special focus on family-friendly options, this guide will help you make the most of your Lisbon adventure, no matter the ages of your kids or the size of your group. But before we start, I want to add a little challenge to this video. I've been to Lisbon 5 times, but none within the last 7 years. Within that time, I've had 2 children. As of the making of this video, we're going there for the first time as a family. I thought it would be a great idea to create this video and then follow it up with a sort of before and after review. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can watch both videos and find out the truth about traveling to Lisbon with your family. Lisbon makes a striking impression from the moment you arrive. The city is bathed in golden light and alive with color, from pastel buildings and red-tiled rooftops to the famous azulejos, those beautiful hand-painted tiles that adorn everything from churches to apartment blocks. Lisbon is both beautiful and real. You'll see graffiti and street art everywhere, and the city's creative energy is on display at every turn. It's a place of contrasts, where centuries-old neighborhoods like Alfama and Moraria sit beside modern districts like Parque de Nações. The pace of life in Lisbon is relaxed. Meals are leisurely, and locals take time to enjoy life. Dinner is typically late. Most locals eat between 8 and 10 p.m. But if you have young kids, arriving when restaurants open around 7 p.m. is a good strategy. Tipping isn't mandatory, but is appreciated, about 10%, preferably in cash. Bread, olives, and cheese brought to your table are not free. These covert items are added to your bill if you eat them, so politely decline if you don't want them. Lisbon's people are famously friendly and proud of their city. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, but learning a few words of Portuguese like obrigado is always appreciated. Lisbon's unique flavors include ginja, a cherry liqueur often served in chocolate cups, and of course the iconic pastel de nata custard tart. The city is a seafood lover's paradise, with fresh grilled sardines, codfish, and octopus salad among local favorites. Lisbon is best explored on foot, but be prepared for hills and slippery calçada cobblestone sidewalks. The iconic yellow trams, especially Tram 28, offer a fun way to explore historic neighborhoods. Taxis and ride-sharing apps such as Bolt are affordable and convenient, especially for families. Summers are warm and sunny, but evenings can be breezy, and winters are mild but damp. Pack layers and comfortable shoes. Above all, remember that Lisbon is a living city. Support local businesses, be mindful of noise, and treat the city as you would your own hometown. Choosing the right place to stay is key for a great family trip. Lisbon offers a range of family-friendly accommodations, from boutique hotels to spacious apartments. Martinhal Chiado Family Suites is a standout choice for families, situated in the heart of the central Chiado district. Suites are spacious and equipped with kitchens and washing machines. The hotel offers a kids club, baby concierge service, and a staff that goes above and beyond for families. It's an ideal base for exploring Lisbon's main sites. We'll be staying here on our trip, so look for a comprehensive review of this hotel in our follow-up video. Other excellent options include Jupiter Lisboa Hotel with pools and a kids area, Corpo Santo Lisbon Historic Hotel in Cais de Sodré offering babysitting and complimentary walking tours, Hotel da Baixa, central, modern, and praised for its comfort, and the Lumieres Hotel and Spa, apartment-style suites with kitchens and a rooftop restaurant. For more choices, consider Altis Grand Hotel, large family rooms and a pool, Lisbon Marriott Hotel, spacious grounds and easy airport access, or Novotel Lisboa, family rooms and a play area. Book early, check for family-friendly amenities, and consider staying in a central location for easy access to attractions. Lisbon's public transport system is efficient and family-friendly, including metro trains, trams, buses, and funiculars. The metro is clean and easy to use, and children under 4 ride free. Tram 28 is a must-do for the classic Lisbon experience, winding through historic neighborhoods. Just try to ride early or late to avoid crowds. Grab a Via Viagem card at any metro station for use on all public transport, including trains to Sintra and Cascais. A 24-hour pass offers unlimited travel and is a great value. Taxis are affordable, and ride-sharing apps like Bolt are often cheaper and faster than Uber. Lisbon is a city for walking, but hills and cobblestones mean you'll want sturdy shoes. For families with young children, a lightweight yet sturdy stroller or baby carrier is essential. The Lisboa card is a money saver, offering unlimited public transport and free or discounted entry to top attractions. Eat like a local by seeking out neighborhood restaurants and Prato do Dia lunch specials. Stock up on snacks at supermarkets and bakeries, and enjoy free attractions like city viewpoints and parks. Lisbon is generally safe, but be cautious of your belongings in crowded areas and on trams. Some metro stations have elevators, but not all. Check accessibility in advance if needed. Lisbon is packed with attractions for families. The Oceanário de Lisboa is one of Europe's best aquariums, home to thousands of sea creatures and interactive exhibits. Lisbon Zoo offers a cable car ride, daily animal shows, and a petting farm. Tram 28 is a fun way to see the city, and St. George's Castle offers panoramic views and space for kids to explore. The riverside area of Belém is a must-visit destination, featuring UNESCO-listed sites such as the Belém Tower and Hieronymus Monastery, as well as the renowned Pastéis de Belém bakery. Parque das Nações is a modern district with the Oceanário, the Science Museum, a cable car, and playgrounds. Eduardo VII Park is Lisbon's largest public park, ideal for picnics and play. For adventure, head to Adventure Park in Hamor for treetop courses and zip lines, or take the Hippo Trip amphibious tour for a unique city tour by land and water. Day trips to Sintra with its palaces, castles, and magic gardens, and Cascais for beaches and seaside charm are easy and rewarding. Other highlights include the MAAT Museum, Lisbon's Story Center, and the trendy LX Factory District. Lisbon's food scene is delicious and accessible for families. Kids will love pastéis de nata, grilled chicken, codfish dishes, bifana pork sandwiches, and creamy rice pudding. Family-friendly restaurants include Doca do Santo, Waterfront with a play area, APF Cafe and Restaurant, toy-filled play area and kids menu, Sto Restaurante and Merceria, contemporary Portuguese with kid options, Pão de Canela near a playground, and Pizzeria Lisboa, wood-fired pizzas. The Time Out Market is a lively food hall with options for everyone, while Fabrica Coffee Roasters and Fora offer great breakfasts and snacks. Café de Garagem boasts city views, while Bifanas do Afonso is perfect for a quick, authentic bite. For seafood, try Ultimo Porto on the docks. Dinner starts late, so plan for early meals or snacks if your kids get hungry. Make reservations for popular restaurants, and remember that covert items are not free. Tipping is appreciated, and most places accept cards. However, some small spots are cash only. Markets are great for picnic supplies, and many restaurants cater to special diets. Just ask your server. Lisbon's neighborhoods each offer something unique for families. Alfama is historic and atmospheric, with winding streets and fado music, but it's hilly and best for families with older kids. Chiado is centrally located and walkable, offering great shopping and dining, and is home to Martinhal Chiado family suites. Baixa is flat and convenient, making it ideal for those who want easy access to sites and shops. Príncipe Real is green, upscale, and relaxed, with parks and playgrounds, perfect for families seeking a quieter vibe. Cais do Sodré is lively and riverside, with easy access to the Time Out Market and waterfront, though it can be noisy at night. Avenidas Novas and Parque das Nações offer modern hotels and amenities, flat paths, and lots of kid-friendly activities, though they're farther from the historic center. Bairro Alto is centrally located with great views and restaurants, but is best suited for families with teens due to its lively nightlife. Choose flat areas with parks and public transportation for young children, and consider neighborhoods with cool shops and scenic viewpoints for teenagers. For a local vibe, Príncipe Real, Alfama, or Avenidas Novas are great choices. For convenience, Chiado and Baixa put you in the center of it all. Lisbon is perfectly placed for day trips. Sintra is a magical, UNESCO-listed town with palaces, castles, and gardens. Take the train from Rocio Station, about 40 minutes. Use the local tourist bus or taxis to get between sites and book palace tickets online. Strollers are tricky in Sintra's hilly, cobbled terrain. Bring a carrier if possible. Cascais is a lively coastal town with family-friendly beaches, dramatic cliffs, and a scenic promenade. Take the train from Cais to Sodre, about 40 minutes, and bring beach gear for a day of sun and sand. Other great day trips include Óbidos, a medieval walled town, Setúbal, and Arrábida for beaches and dolphin watching, and Mafra for its grand palace and wildlife park. Start early to beat crowds. Pack snacks and sunscreen, and don't overpack your day. Focus on a few highlights and leave time for spontaneous fun. To experience Lisbon like a local, visit neighborhood markets such as Mercado de Campo de Ourique or Mercado de Alvalde Norte for fresh produce and a relaxed vibe. Explore residential areas like Campo de Ourique or Estrela for parks and bakeries. Seek out lesser-known viewpoints like Miradoro de Senhora de Monte or Miradoro de Monte Agudo for stunning, uncrowded city views. Lisbon's festival calendar is packed with family-friendly events, from the lively Festas de Lisboa in June to the Feira de Ladra flea market. Eat where locals eat. Look for tascas, small family-run eateries with menus in Portuguese and daily specials. Support local artisans by shopping for handmade tiles, ceramics, and textiles in neighborhoods like Príncipe Real. Avoid tourist traps by skipping overpriced restaurants in Baixa, being wary of pickpockets on Tram 28, and agreeing on tuk-tuk fares before your ride. For authentic fado, seek out small bars in Alfama or Moraria. Pack comfortable walking shoes, layers for changing weather, sun protection, a day pack, reusable water bottles, and a sturdy stroller or carrier. Bring a European power adapter and any essential medications. Book hotels and attractions in advance. Use the Via Viagem card for easy transport and carry some cash for small purchases and tips. Portuguese restaurants are generally welcoming to children, with high chairs and kids menus commonly available. Dinner starts late, so plan to have snacks or an early meal. Lisbon is safe, but watch your step on cobblestones and keep an eye on your belongings in crowded areas. Many hotels offer laundry facilities, and laundromats are readily available throughout the city. Spring and fall are mild and pleasant. Summer is hot and busy, and winter can be chilly and damp. The Lisbon emergency number is 112, and pharmacies are easily accessible. There you have it, our ultimate family guide to Lisbon. I hope these tips and recommendations help you plan an unforgettable adventure in this amazing city. I will definitely be using as many of these with my family as I can while we're out there. So, be on the lookout for that video coming soon. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides and honest reviews. Have you been to Lisbon, or do you have questions about your upcoming trip? Drop your thoughts and tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for our next video, where I'll be giving you an in-depth review of the Martinhal Chiado family suites, as well as all the fun activities and amazing eats we come across this June. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, safe travels.